All right. It's Monday, July 24th. Only took one trade today. We're up 143. But, yeah, we got 6 points on one trade, so good day. So, it was 150 and then after fees, 143. So, looking good today. We're back green on this account after last week because last week was a little rough. Overall, last week we were red, but we got the account back up. So, we're up 52 on this account. So, starting this week off on a good note, on a good step. So, let's pull up SPY. So, there was a lot of chop today, to be honest. And I didn't take the trade until literally an hour ago. We still have 40 minutes left in the market, so I didn't take my trade till about end of day. We've been we've been chopping all day. And so yeah, beginning of the market, we had some volume. Well, just normal volume, normal early morning volume. But let's take a look at my first trade. So it was at 11:31. So this trade was from 11:31 to 11:43. So nice 12-minute trade. So what time did I say it was? 11:31. Already forgot. So yeah. Head and shoulders, of course. So left shoulder right here, head right here, right shoulder right here. So this one was a lot more smoother. And then neckline, which is right here. So it was a nice level for the neckline. It wasn't slanted or anything. And the shoulders are nice and smooth. So the head and shoulders looks good. And then also we had this trend line right here that I had. It didn't really play too much of an important role into my entry, but I knew once we broke this, because you see it bottomed here a couple times. So I knew once we broke this, that was good. And then I actually had a sell order. So you can see the left shoulder's right here, head, and then right shoulder. And then this arrow is where it entered me in. So I had my sell order right here. So it was below these wicks. And so, entered me in. I wasn't red at all. No green candles to make me lose any money, which is always a good sign. And no big pullbacks. I guess there's a little pullback right here, but nothing crazy. And then also I actually took a little screenshot of Bookmap at the time. So let me pull this up. So I entered in right here and then exited right here. So when I entered, I knew there was no buying liquidity underneath. Or I guess, yeah, not really a lot. It's a little blue, but I thought it was good enough to take the trade. So, Bookmap looked good. And I knew since we were kind of at the top of this buying channel all day, if I were to get this reversal down, it'd be a pretty decent move. So if I was right, when it entered me in, I have my 3-point stop loss. So my 3 points was one tick above the high, or I guess the right shoulder. So I had a good stop loss. And I had my target. My target was still 6 points. It's just manually. I manually set that to be like that on NinjaTrader, but in my head I kind of had it at VWAP. I was gonna take out 3 contracts, but we pushed down a little bit, and you see there's this fat red candle. This fat red candle is where, I took profit, where it just hit my target. So I was gonna take profit at VWAP, but honestly, it just pushed below it. So I was okay with it. So I got my 150 off that, and that was basically it. That's all my reasoning for the trade. Only trade today, and I'm not expecting to take any more moves today, since we only have 40 minutes left. Only one trade today. Kind of minimizing my trades, only taking the ones I'm more confident on. So, is a good start to the week. So, yeah.